Welcome to Weight Maintenance Plus, the ultimate masterclass for those on a quest for sustainable and enjoyable weight loss. Are you ready to embrace a life filled with purpose, joy, and bid farewell to self-sabotage? Well, you've come to the right place, but hold on, this isn't your run-of-the-mill masterclass, and here's why. You're here because you've been on a journey to change how you see yourself in the mirror. Let's be real, hating yourself thin doesn't work. It's time to start from a place of self-love. I'm your guide and I'm about to drop some knowledge on you. I'm a certified health and life coach who's lost over 150 pounds and kept them off for more than 5 years. I've gone from the darkest moments of depression to a life I wouldn't trade for anything. Life is unpredictable and our health is more than crucial than ever. Today, you have a golden opportunity to discover something that will not only make sense, but transform your life in ways you've never imagined. Now picture this, you, me, and 90-minute masterclass packed with wisdom and actionable steps. But it doesn't end there. This is just the beginning of your journey. Wondering what's in it for you? Well, let me break it down. First things first, this masterclass is on the house. No secrets, no magic potions, just real life advice tailored to your health and wellness goals. But wait, there's more. You'll have the chance to join our coaching community. Picture a safe space where you can share your challenges, celebrate your victories, and grow together. During these 90 minutes, I'll unveil the hunger scale, the model, and guide you on creating commitments and plans. These aren't just tools, they're your secret weapons in your weight loss journey. So why wait any longer to embrace your truth? You already know what you need to feel better today. If you're ready for change, don't hesitate. Leave your name and email and pick a time that suits you. Let's embark on a journey towards sustainable weight loss together and invite others to join us on this incredible adventure.